Hey, creative souls! Welcome to the very first video of this channel. I'm so excited to start this journey with you. And today we're making a super cute felt carrot decoration for Easter. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So let's get started. For this Easter carrot, we're going to need a few materials. Feel free to customize the colors and details to match your style. Felt in two colors, I use purple and peach, but you can choose any colors you like. Embroidery thread that matches the felt colors. A sewing needle and an embroidery needle. I also use a thinner needle for threading the tiny beads since they are very small. Decorative beads and rhinestones to add a sparkle and a special touch. Strips of ribbons and a fine mesh or fabric cut into strips. The length of the strips depends on you and how decorative you want your carrot to be. A wooden stick to hold the carrot. Stuffing. I'm using fiberfill, but you can also use cotton or any stuffing material you have at home. And finally, hot glue to secure some pieces. First, we will cut the pieces in the Easter shape you like best. If you want the templates, let me know in the comments. Now, we will embroider some lines on the carrot using a matching thread. This will add texture and more realistic touch. This is my favorite part, decorating the top of the carrot with beads and rhinestones. I love it because we can play with colors and sizes and make it look even more special. We add ribbons and glue the wooden stick. Now we sew the top part, stuff it and attach it to the carrot using firm stitches. And that's it! Our felt carrot is finished. It's perfect for decorating flower pots, gifting, or adding a special touch to any space. Did you like this idea? Let me know in the comments. Guys, I hope you like this video and that we can connect with more creative ideas. Bye bye!
What?